All right, Lincoln. Matt Mick here again with Homegrown Food 411, and I am here with Paula on this quest for Lincoln's best Reuben. And as you can see above me, I'm at Sips and Subs of 33rd and A Street here. It's a staple. If you guys have never been here, it will take you back to the old days for sure. They've got grandma's tables in there, grandma's chairs, lunch boxes that your parents probably took to school. It's pretty neat. We've heard a lot of great things about their sandwiches though. So Paula, how are you today?
I'm doing great.
Is this your first Food 411?
This is. And
Awesome.
It's perfect because this is my jam.
You like Reubens?
Yes.
Love Reubens. Well, Paula, this being your first one, want to break into some things. We have some rules. So the first rule always is they can't know we're coming. So they can't specialize anything. They can't spice it up for us. Rule number 2 is no Rachels. Do you know what a Rachel is?
No turkey?
That's right. Perfect. So an actual Reuben with corned beef and all the good stuff. And then rule number 3 is 1 bite. 1 bite. We have to make a decision off of that 1 bite, Paula. We're gonna grade them and see how they land with everyone else.
But then we get to finish them off later, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we finish them, guys. Come on. All right. Well, let's take a look at what we got. Look at that rye.
Ooh, I can smell it from back here.
Looks very consistent. Paula, we're breaking into this guy here. You want to grab yours? So Paula, again, 1 bite. This is going to be fantastic. You ready for this?
Yes.
Let's do it. Let's cheers.
Do we center? out,
Yeah,
like-
I would do the center.
Okay.
Yeah. That's really good.
Where's that napkin?
Oh. It's really good. There's a good mix of that sauerkraut in there. The meat's probably a little different than the other meat we've had. A lot of the other ones I feel like it's been a little more thinly shaved, along with just a little bit less consistency. The meat is pretty consistent all the way through. What do you think of the sauerkraut?
You know, I could actually use a little bit more. I love sauerkraut.
Mm-hmm.
But I do like how juicy it is.
It is.
I love this toasted bread. Yeah.
I think this is a good mix.
Wait, you just took another bite.
No, I was dripping.
Oh. Well.
So I think it has really good consistency throughout. The sauce is really good. It's enough sauce, but it doesn't overtake the sandwich. It's good. I would come here again for sure. So Paula, we have to now give these people a grade of 1 to 10. Where would you place this in your mind for a Reuben?
You guys, I'm going to give it a 9.5.
Okay.
Like, for real, I'm that impressed.
That's pretty good. Yeah.
Yes.
I would be comfortable with like a 9.1, which is
Okay.
up there in the 9. It's good. It's definitely a good sandwich. I'm taking it over.
Yeah, look at this. I mean, it's just, yeah, I'm liking it.
So guys, we get Sips and Subs, 33rd and A. We gave them a 9.1, definitely worth the trip. It also take you kind of back into the heyday here. Please like us, follow us, share us on Instagram and Facebook at homegrown.lincoln. Comment below if you guys have other Reuben places in town that you would like us to check out and compare against other places for you. And as well, try to support local businesses. Check out Sips and Subs as often as you can, guys. It was a good experience for us. And until the next time, we'll see you there.